Hello, it's Monday the 18th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now we have the MPC meeting this week. There is still a slim chance of a rate cut, but chances are policy will remain unchanged when they vote. We do have inflation data due out on Wednesday. Headline inflation for February is expected to fall to 3.6%, which will keep us very much on the path towards 2% inflation. Governor Bailey said that they don't need to reach the 2% target before considering a rate cut. Indeed, if inflation is on a clear path towards 2%, then a rate cut ahead of the deadline would help put the brakes on and avoid any overshoot. This is the only real angle that has brought a rate cut into play at this meeting, which is why most expect to see no change. But you know how it is, there is always still a chance. Thank you. Over in the US, the economy is cooking on gas at the moment. GDP for the past 2 quarters is well above trend when you compare it to the other G7 economies. Despite high interest rates, employment remains buoyant and both productivity and output remain pretty resilient. Economists polled by the FT think a rate cut is most likely at the September meeting. A marginal 10% thought we might see a rate cut at this week's meeting, and only 30% expect a rate cut by July. There are no real drivers in the data to suggest a rate cut is necessary yet, and the Fed is comfortable to wait and see. Indeed, they will want to see a little more progress to ensure that inflation can get past the recent stickiness. In the market, the view is that the Fed will be the last in the G7 to cut rates, and that is helping support the dollar. Sterling closed the week lower, around 127.35 against the dollar and just shy of 117 against the euro, and the dollar index rallied to about 103.50. We kick off the new week from around 127.30 against the dollar, 116.90 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 108.90 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.